Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. I'm still ill, but here's the daily update for you. And today we will talk about the CME gap. So let's start this analysis. And as always, we are starting with CoinMarketCap. You can see Bitcoin is going down 3.4% in the week, 70% minus. Damn. Ethereum is going down 6% on the day, but only 9% in the week. The Binance coin is also going down 6%, 12% in the week. The most coins are going down here, you can see it, and the Bitcoin dominance is 32.5%. Ethereum dominance is growing up to 22.2%, guys. The biggest winner is Yunus with 9% and plus, Waves 4%, and Basic Attention Token is up going with So let's check the biggest loser. This is Cadena, 26% and minus, Immutable 21%, and Quant is going down 19%. In the week, the biggest winner is Terra, going up with 24%, Yunus 6%, and the Polygon Matic is going up with 5%. But the biggest loser, here it is, 43% in the minus, Cadena is going down, Immutable is going down, and Chillers is going down. So, okay, these are the biggest winners, these are the biggest losers, and we are here on the Fear and Greed Index. Extreme fear is in the market. For the most times, it's a good time to buy Bitcoin if extreme fear is in the market. You can see 16 points, extreme fear, yesterday 18, last week 33, and last month we saw greed in the market. So, Bitcoin prediction, what is telling us the prediction from CoinCodex? We are going down, is telling us the prediction down to 42,600 and then sideways a little bit. We have a bearish pattern here, a bearish sentiment. You can see bullish 28% and bearish 72%. So the next thing, what's telling us that Tradingfees analysis is telling us we should sell on the day, we should sell on 4 hours, sell on 2 hours, and we should sell on the 1 hour. Everything is telling us we should sell our Bitcoin. So let's move on. Here's the Bitcoin dominance, and you can see we lost our support. We are going down in the parallel channel. We hit here the middle line once again. We saw a little bottom here on this point. This is the 4-hour time frame from the Bitcoin dominance, and after this we are going up a little bit. So let's see. The big support is now the big resistance, and we need to watch what's going on. Can we hit the resistance here again, and will we go down from here? It's really possible to see 42% dominance, and after this we go down maybe more and more. Maybe it's again the time for the altcoins and not for Bitcoin. We will check. So what is going on here? This is the last picture from Bitcoin. I told you today we'll speak about the gap here. We have a big gap here in the futures, and we will check this soon, but this is now the daily time frame for Bitcoin. I told you it's possible to see maybe here a shoulder head shoulder to the upside, and after this we may break down more and more, but we need to watch this. And guys, something is more important for the moment. Let me show you. Something is more important, and that's this one here. That's the Bitcoin CME futures gap, and you can see it here. We have a big gap here. The big gap up to this point, let me check, 51,500 maybe. So for the most times it's possible to fill these gaps. You can see it always. If we had a gap here, we saw that we fill it. If we are watching this here in this point here, look at this, guys. We saw a big gap here on this point, and we never filled this gap again, 34,000. So the big question is now, can we fill the gap to the upside, or will we fill the gap to the downside, guys? 34,300 or 51,500. If we will buy this one here, this shoulder head shoulder, we will fill the gap to the upside now. But if we will not fill it, we will go down more and more, and you can see it here. The last gap here, 34,300 is 34,300 is also a gap. We not filled this gap here. So guys, attention for the moment if you are trading Bitcoin. So let's check one thing. Let's check this one here on the daily, guys. Really important. If we are zooming out a little bit, we can see this one here. We saw here a nice Fibonacci from the upside, downside to the upside here. And what can we see? We saw a perfect hit of this one, the golden pocket, 0.618 Fibonacci, 44,000. It was a perfect hit here. And this is now a big support. And for the moment, this support is holding. And guys, it's really, really important that this support here, the golden pocket, holds here, because it's a really, really big support. And I hope from a leg to the upside from here, I hope we can fill the leg, the gap here. I told you this one here, the gap 51,500, that we can fill it. And after this, maybe we will go down more and more, and this would be also the right shoulder. It depends always where we will hit some lines here. Depends, maybe 0.382. This is the Fibonacci at 53,500. Maybe we can hit this one here for the right shoulder, or maybe a lower shoulder like this one, 0.5, 48,000. I can't predict the future, but I hope for something like this here, and then the next leg to the downside, and we can fill this gap here to the upside. So let's check, last but not least, the ribbon band here on the daily. You can see now we lost completely the ribbon band here. We have a short signal here. We are again under the ribbon band. This is now the next big thing. And guys, watch this on the daily. This is the EMA 200. The price for this is for the moment on 50,000. That's the big resistance. And now we see a leg to the upside. We saw a nice little spike to the upside. A fight here, not perfectly on the EMA 200, but a fight to the upside and back down again. Let's check this one really quick on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we also saw here a nice leg to the upside. We saw the fight with this one here, the 0.5 Fibonacci, this one, 48,800. And you can see a lot of candles here going sideways, and again we're going down. We lost the fight here. We also lost the fight with the ribbon band. We saw no candle, no wick to the upside to 55. We are now going down again. It's really dangerous, guys, for Bitcoin. Look at this here, EMA 200 is on 57,000 here, really high. On the 1-hour time frame, we also can see it here. Yes, we lost the Fibonacci line. Here's the EMA 200, 53,000. We are going down again. And last but not least, watch this. That's the bar chart, and you can see our big pivot point, our support point. Our third support point is on 46,800. And if we're watching this, where is 48,600? This was a price about this one. And yes, guys, we also lost 48,600. We also lost the support point. And if we are refreshing this one here, the bar chart, sorry guys, 46,800, 46,800. That's an error from me. 46,800 is here. Here is our big support, 46,800. That's the next bar chart support, the support pivot point 3, this one here. So maybe it's possible to go down here to this point to fight a little bit with our support here, maybe up again, retest the Fibonacci 0.5 and the ribbon band. And then what will happen next? Maybe the next point to the upside, maybe the right shoulder, or we will break down here completely and we will build, we will fill our gap here really low. I showed you this one here, 34,000. Guys, big things are going on for Bitcoin for the moment. I can't predict the future, but we have some things to watch, and this is really important. The gap is important, the Fibonacci is important, everything is important. And this was the daily short update for the day, guys. I hope I can give you more news tomorrow. One thing before we close this video, let me show you this parallel channel. We are for the moment going down like this here. If you are watching the parallel channel on the 4-hour, this is the Bitcoin CME futures. It's better to draw it here. Sorry guys, it's better to draw it here on this point, to draw this downgoing parallel channel like this here and to this here. So guys, last but not least, we saw a fight with the middle line. Also here we went down and down and down. We lost the fight. We have the next support point here, as I drawed here on the downside, 46,800. That's the next support point. Sorry guys, my head is exploding and I'm really ill, but I need to show you these things every day, that you can see where is the support, where's the resistance, what's going on for Bitcoin. Should I buy now or should I sell? And for the moment, it's a really hard decision, guys. I can't tell you buy, I can't tell you sell. This is no financial advice, but you know now the targets, you know now the supports, and you know now everything you need to know, in my opinion. Please visit my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant, and I wish you just the best. Thanks for supporting me, guys. And special thanks to Rudy. He's supporting me really a lot with nice comments. Special thanks, really special thanks to my supporter on the live stream on Twitch, to Ryan in real life, to Crypto Sharknado, to who is now here. Guys, sorry, my head is exploding. I will end this video, but thanks for your support, and tomorrow the next update. Guys, bye-bye. Yours, Biti.
System activated.